Welcome back to Jen's Hangout. Today, first I'm going to put this on. Have my lips are dry for this moment. Anyway, but today we are going to be unboxing. Thanks, Coda. See you later. Anyway, today we are going to be unboxing and maybe, possibly, slapping on, at least in this video, I don't know, slapping on, I could say it so mildly. We might not be. I might do it in a different video, but my Leleposh glam bag, and I did a little bit of an order, but most of that order is going to go into the giveaway box. But anyway, so we shall put these spectacles on because I can't see nothing without them. So isn't this adorable? It came in a box or a package outside, but it was super wrapped up in tape, so I got that part out, and then this was wrapped up in tape, and so I undid that, but that's all I've done. Otherwise, the surprise is just as surprising as you and I. And I do know that I am not getting a lip gloss. Excuse me. Tummy. I'm not getting a lip gloss, I believe it is. And she's sent me 2 lips. Liquid lips, I think it is. Because she uses coconut oil in her lip glosses. And I can have that. And so she's awesome. Fantastic. Miss Nina, and she sent me 2 lipstick or liquid lipsticks, I believe is what she was gonna do. Pretty sure that was the plan. Anywho, there's just it here. I just took the candy out, but that's what it looks like in the top, and she crammed a lot of stuff in there, let me tell you. But anyway, I love these. My grandmother used to get these, and they were the bomb. They were so good. Anyway, so let's go in on this side. See what we got here. Get my scissors so I can cut the tape. Undo it. Ooh, this must be the perfume. The perfume. What is it? Essence Lele. Very cool. Okay. No, little man, you don't need to go out in the wind. Let's see here. I want to get it open. Come on. I love purple. Purple and pink are my favorite colors. So, and I just took my nails off, so don't switch them out. So don't mind my yuckiness, because I have vitamin and mineral deficiency because of my autoimmune diseases. So my nails are pretty haggard. They are pretty horrible. So I have like nothing to grip with. So I have to use implements. Okay. So it's beautiful. Here's the bottle. It's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, Nina, you did a beautiful job. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes. That smells divine. Oh, yes. Oh, it's like vanilla, but there's so much more to it. It's so much more complex than vanilla. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's like vanilla with something, I can't even place it. It's like floral and fruity and vanilla all at the same time. Oh, it's amazing. I love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Yes, that's going right there. Staying there. And then I got this is I just, can we admire this stunning packaging, please? And then the color, that is a liquid lipstick. I can't talk. Liquid lipstick for sure. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I had the thing somewhere, my little paper. It's probably over next to my chair in the living room. That's gorgeous. Yes, that is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Let's check the other side. Check the other side. Get the scissors. Ooh, what is this other? What is this other? What is this other? Ooh, they're like, ooh, they almost look identical. I think one's a matte and one's a slight shimmer. Are they both the same? If they're both the same, they sure look the same. Oh, nope, not quite. Are they? Oh. I don't want to dip it, because look. But it all, the other one had glitter in it. And this one doesn't look like it has glitter in it. Oh, but they very much look the same. No, maybe not. It is a matte. It was just... Yep, nope, they're the same. For sure. But that's okay. Because if they are the same, I can put one in the giveaway bin. And it can go in the giveaway. And then one of you beautiful people can experience. Yeah, I think the same. Because look at that. They look the same to me. Yep, I think this one's the same. So that means giveaway bin for you guys. That's okay. What is this? Body. Let's get physical body glow. That's some glittery stuff. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Let's get physical. Physical. I'm not going to put that on right now. Because, yeah. So, anyway. Okay. And then what else is in here? Okay. So, I pulled everything out. Well, hi, handsome. What you doing? Hi. What doing? What doing? This is Hit the Slopes. That's what this is. Is it black? What is this? What is it? Oh, it's a glitter. For sure, it's a glitter. It's a glitter. Oh, that's gorgeous. It looks like snow. Oh, I don't know. Can I do this without dumping it out? Can you guys see that? It's so pretty. There. Can you guys see it? It's so pretty. So pretty. so easy to fall in love. Oh, I love it. I love it. That's going to be fun to play with for sure. Okay, now got glitter. I have glitter everywhere, but that's okay because glitter is fun. It's so much fun. So much fun. So much fun. Okay, so this must be the palette. This must be the palette. Yay. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? 1980. Oh, I love these colors. Yeah, yes, please. Yes, ma'am. Look at that. I love it. I see snowfall, heather, moon boots, and duh. Love it. Absolutely love it. It's fantastic. Yep. Absolutely love it. Fabulous. Yes, please. Those are fantastic. We love those. Love that. Absolutely love that. I'm going to save this. And I'm going to rub this in it. I'm going to put that down in the giveaway bin. It's already in the giveaway bin. And I'm going to put her card, because I already have one, but I'm going to put her card in the giveaway bin so that it goes with it. But I have extras because I already bought these and have them in my Z palette. 2 of them. These 2. Cha-ching! So these 2, which is Mina and what is it? What is it called? I can't remember. My brain doth farted and I can't excuse it. I'm sorry. It won't come back. Let's see what the name is. This is, yep. This is Mina. This one, this gorgeous gold that I am not going to swatch, but it's beautiful and we love her. So I'm going to actually keep all the Leleposh in this little bag here. So this will go in here. This will go in here. I think I have a couple more in there too. Where's my Leleposh palette? Oh, that's my Adapt Cosmetics palette. Where? It's over there. Anyway, I'll dig it out. Excuse me. Therapy. Where did my thing go? Oh, there it is. It's so easy to... I think this one's Oh Honey, because it is beautiful. So, Oh Honey. Yes, this is Oh Honey. Look at her. She's gorgeous. She's beautiful. She will go into the giveaway as well. So, like I said, it will be coming up very, very soon. Probably in the next, like, 2 or 3 videos, I would say. Ish. And then this one, I gotta double check and see if I have. This is Lucky, and I don't think I have this one, but I can't remember. But I love this green. It's just fantastic. If I do have this one, here, hold on. Oh, look. Whoop. Shake, rattle, and roll. Hi, handsome. Okay, so do I have Lucky? I don't think I do. See, I made the palette. You're fine. You're not going to die. Okay, I'm pretty sure. Do not have Lucky. No. It's Eternity. Don't think I do. Cool. Encore. Oh, Celestial. I do have a Celestial in there in the giveaway bin that I will add to this. So no, I don't have Lucky. Yay. So that means that Lucky gets to go in to my collection. Okay. So, into the pot she goes. Okay. And then I have bin for these. I'm not getting rid of those, just trust me. I'm saving those. I saved those. So, love it in there. Oh, it does. Yay. Okay, so put that in there. Fabulous. Fabulous. Marvelous. Okay, so this is the giveaway stuff. We'll go in the giveaway stuff. It will go in the giveaway stuff. So we will do a giveaway very, very soon. I gotta go through and figure out how I want to do it. Think about that. But it will be soon, so pay close attention to when it will be coming up. Next few videos. Anyway, so this one's getting a little long, so I'm gonna do Get Ready With Me with Leleposh probably in the next video. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I gotta love you guys so much. Blessings to you. See you later. Bye.